Now let's take a quick look at the epistemology of interdisciplinary studies. Epistemology of any discipline, including interdisciplinary studies, includes all the knowledge of that discipline or system. We can examine the epistemology of interdisciplinary studies, of psychology, of sociology, of business, of criminal justice, and so on. Every discipline has a knowledge framework. Epistemology involves questions like, what can we know and how can we know it? Interdisciplinarians understand that any problem or phenomenon can be studied from multiple angles and multiple disciplines. If we wanted to study war or pandemics or recessions, as interdisciplinarians, we would examine those issues from a business perspective, a political perspective, an economic perspective, psychology, sociology, anthropology, criminal justice. All of you in this class have at least 2 different lenses that you can look through to try to understand any given event. Sometimes your 2 disciplines will agree, sometimes there will be common ground, and sometimes there will be conflicts or gaps. The professionals who are working in those disciplines are sometimes not aware that those gaps even exist. It's up to interdisciplinarians like ourselves to identify those gaps and inform the disciplines themselves. This means that no one theory, no one principle, no one model is going to be enough to explain human behavior. We need multiple frameworks so that we can truly understand what's going on. Interdisciplinarity steers a path between 2 extremes. On one hand, it rejects the idea that scholarship advances when we prove or disprove hypotheses. It's possible to interpret any research finding in multiple ways. On the other hand, it rejects the alternative belief that we're not able to advance human understanding through research. It takes on a more middle ground position. Interdisciplinary studies assume that scholarly understanding can advance through collecting multiple arguments and lots of evidence.